It's Key in the camera today.
Back with you.
Back with you again. Part 2. How to do.
Like we said.
And we still giving out free fidget spinners. Just hit that link and subscribe to our channel.
And likes.
Okay, today, first we're going to teach you how to hit a backflip. We got a lower mattress now.
And no.
We got a little mattress now, so it might just be a little harder, but
yeah.
But make sure.
See, now watch me. I do mine like I bumped off my tippy toes because
it gets you more bounce.
Yeah. See, but now watch. See, I lived it perfect. You have to tuck your leg like you doing in cannonball in the pool.
It's better when you focus on your bounce, but you want to do it on mattress first.
Yeah.
So you want to put your hands up.
And
your legs a little bit. You don't want to bend all the way down because you're going to go up slow and you're not going to get fast.
Oh, yeah. And part three, we're going to be showing you
front flip.
Yeah, and part 4, we're going to be showing you the
palm.
Yeah, the palm. And part 5,
well,
it's 2K. 2K. We're doing 2K part 5. Yeah.
Well, it ain't going to be part 5. It's just going to be like new videos.
Yeah, new video. Yeah. But
okay,
first we're going to go through the flipping parts and stuff. Like part 1.
Then we get the 2K, then we get the basketball.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
see the mistake I did? I hold my legs too long. And now you gotta have a release soon as you coming down.
And I'm about to show you the side flipping place.
Well, yeah. You want to?
You want me to do it? No, I ain't gonna show you the side flipping place. I'm gonna show you a front flip.
Okay, I'm gonna do the side flip.
He gonna do the side flip, and I'm gonna do the front flip myself. Okay? Good. All right. See, he didn't tuck.
Nah, not tuck.
Now watch him tuck.
See?
Almost lifted it. That's when you tuck. Now, I'm about to hit the front flip.
It's a little bit harder because we on a lower mattress.
And it's not that bouncy. But it's bouncy, but it's not that bouncy. So, I'm about to show you the front flip without tucking. Yeah, without tucking. See, that's what you get.
Fall right on your back.
Now, when you tuck,
you might not land it because you're on mattress, but when you get used to it, when you get to running, it's way better. And make sure you got safety first. Land the part, safety. Come on.
Okay, now I'm about to show you the part
when you tuck it.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. See? I landed.
Now, the palm flip, I'm going to start from over here. Then like this. But it's not that type of easy because...
Yeah. He do his, I think both ways.
Yeah.
I just do mine this way.
But you can do like a cartwheel like this for starters. Like that.
And then
that's for you when you're beginner.
And you can do it like that too.
We ain't gonna teach y'all the wall flip yet.
Yeah.
That's another category. But
I will show y'all how it's gonna look.
But mostly you want to use is your upper body strength. That's how a wall flip will look.
Then once you keep doing it, jump higher, you'll be able to hit a note.
And stay tuned, because you know what we do.
This part 4. Part 2 or 3? Huh?
See you guys.
Deuces.